What are you doing?
I'm going live.
Not yet. I don't have the camera set up yet.
We're live now.
You're going right.
Hey, it's Katie and Jeff, and we're on our way to go get Lightning, and we're so excited.
Someone call the police and help me. I'm trapped in this Ford truck with the trailer in the back of it, going in the wrong direction. Call the Dufresne. We need help.
So, we'll video more when we get to Ashland or to Woodside Equine Clinic, but just wanted you guys to know that we're gonna go get Lightning.
We're excited. We miss Lightning. Everybody misses Lightning.
Yes, we're excited. So thank you, everybody. We'll keep you in the loop.
Thank you, everybody. We appreciate it. So do all the horses.
Okay. You ready to go home?
I'm gonna check the picture.
All right, Katie, you want to say something?
We're getting Lightning.
There we go.
Yay.
You excited?
So excited.
He's like, ah, yes, finally.
So excited.
He's so ready to go.
Like, let me in the halter.
He's so done, he'll just stand there and be like, okay. He's a sweet, sweet guy. He loves the trailer. Easy. Well, too, but it all kind of came out. He just has a beautiful tail.
He does. So the IV went in his neck, right?
It's his little, yeah, just keep an eye on his catheter site. It's looked fine since they've removed it, but you see.
Came up. You're almost there. Come on, Lightning.
He's got it.
That's it. They stomp it out.
Good job, buddy. There you go. Got it? Push this quickly.
Got it.
There we go.
Oh, his tail looks beautiful.
Isn't that beautiful? I've never seen anything like it. So. Katie, you want to say something? You want to say?
Thank you, everybody, for helping us bring Lightning home. We are so excited. Ah! We are bringing Lightning home. This week, Jeff is opening the gate, and he is in the trailer. We're so excited.
Hey, everybody. Lightning's back in town. Yay. Still got a long way to go, but he's back in town. Check out his new trailer. It's gorgeous. Enough ready? Come on, Lightning. Here he comes. Come on, Lightning, bring your bad self out of here. Wow, you sound like Koa. Yay, Lightning!
Lightning,
Yay!
are you home?
Are you home, big boy? And you're alive.
And alive.
Alive. And there he goes to his new penthouse. And he's back into his new room. All decked out. He'll be in here for up to 3 months rehabbing.
Come on, sweetie. I know, you want to see everybody. You want to see everybody. Nice, sweetie. Wait all your day.
Moving it. Hey. Morning, Lightning.
Got him in with his buddy, his brother.
Wait today.